There are many different kinds of chickens that live all over the world. They eat bread, corn, and grain on a daily basis. Here are the many different kinds of chickens. Polish chickens have feathers on top of their head called a crown. They are great jumpers and weigh under 5 pounds. Brahma chickens are from the USA. They weigh under 9 pounds. Their feathers are black, gray, and white. They got red combs on top of their head. Australian lobe chickens are from Australia. They weigh under 9 pounds. They got combs on top of their head. Their feathers are soft when you touch them. Their feathers are black and white. Rhode Island red chickens are from Rhode Island in the state of USA. They are very active birds. Their feathers are black, red, and brown. They weigh under 8 pounds. Icelandic chickens are from Iceland with combs on top of their head. They can live in a very cold climate, which there is a lot of snow. They weigh under 2 pounds. Their feathers are light brown and white. Ayam Kadawa chickens are from Indonesia. They got combs on top of their head. Their feathers are tan, white, and light brown. Egypt Fayoumi chickens are from Egypt. They weigh under 5 pounds. They can live in a hot climate, which is the desert. Their feathers are gray and white. And there's no comb on top of their head. Long-tailed chickens are from Taiwan. They have crowns on top of their head. They weigh 14 pounds. Their legs look similar to a lizard's. And their legs are pink. And their feathers are multicolored. The color of the feathers are red, green, brown, and purple.